Material handling is the pulse of industrial progress. Innovation drives the age of smart manufacturing. Hangcha Group is shaping the future of material handling. Forward through innovation. As the manufacturing sector evolves, Hangcha Group delivers on its commitment to making handling easier. Through our proven strategy of brand leadership, integrated operations, global synergy, and specialized production, we continue to set the industry pace. Hangcha is advancing the next generation of smart material handling solutions. Forward through reach. Wherever material handling needs arise worldwide, Hangcha responds with over 10,000 product variants, from 1-ton warehouse equipment to 48-ton port giants, from counterbalance forklifts to aerial work platforms, from intelligent AGV fleets to humanoid material handling robots. We cover every modern logistics scenario. Our end-to-end smart logistics ecosystem serves all industries, integrating AGVs, automated storage, and intelligent handling systems. Mastering smart manufacturing. Innovation is in Hangcha's DNA. Execution is our measure of value. Our full-cycle R&D chain, from fundamental research to industrial application, ensures breakthroughs. We lead in new energy technologies with proprietary advancements in batteries, motors, and control systems, powering our electric, hydrogen, and hybrid platforms. As a global pioneer, we launched the industry's first lithium-dedicated, high-voltage lithium and hydrogen fuel cell forklifts. With 400,000 units annual capacity, we meet global demand with precision at scale. Forward worldwide. 20+ strategic hubs anchor our global presence. Through 100+ subsidiaries and 600+ certified partners, we integrate into global value chains. Forward to leadership. Awards validate our capabilities and deepen our responsibility. Each honor marks Hangcha's transformation toward intelligent manufacturing. Driven by our values of enterprise, pragmatism, innovation, and collaboration, we are racing toward world's premier forklift enterprise. Hangcha, make handling easier.